Hello everybody and welcome back to the Pay the Poolman YouTube channel. Today we're going to be looking at a brand new feature in Paythepoolman 2.0 called Connected Accounts. Now this is a perfect feature if you service multiple pools under different service addresses but the same customer or company name. For example, maybe you service a hotel chain that has the same name but they're all at different locations, or maybe they have multiple pools that need to be serviced individually. The first thing you're going to do is go to the first customer or company name that you want to be in this lineup. The first one you select is going to become the parent company, but no worries, if you want to switch this out later for a different company to be the parent company, you could totally do that. Select View, and it's going to take you to your customer dashboard, and you can select the new button, Connected Accounts. And just like that, there is your parent account, and we are ready to start adding connections. Select Add First Connection, and select the next location for your lineup. And there we go. See, they have the exact same name, but different addresses. Now you can add connections until your lineup is completed. And there we go. To make sure all the users can view the location, make sure that Pool Junction Payment Portal button is toggled on, and you'll be good to go. This blue button right here is to take you to the exact customer dashboard of that location. It's a nice little shortcut. If you're ready to swap out the original parent account for a new one, go ahead and click this yellow button and confirm the change. And there you go. This is going to be your new lineup. If you're ready to delete one of these locations, simply click that X button to remove it. And there you go. That's going to be everything about connected accounts. I hope this video was very informative and helpful for you to start creating your own connected account. We are committed to giving business owners back their personal lives through highly efficient professional software and caring support. So click that subscribe button for more content.